Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-SS2 in copper. Okay, let's grab our scissors and let's open it on up. Okay, inside each box you'll get your product, a set of screws which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box, and you'll also get a set of instructions. But first, let's just take a look at the product. Okay, we'll start by giving you a 360 view. Oh, upside down. Okay, just like that. And then we'll remove the plate for installation. Nice and simple, grab at the edges with your fingers and just push forward with your palm. Comes off nice and easy, just like that. All right, the screw holes that you see here are where you're going to put your provided screws through to fasten to your pattress box. Flipping it on over, you'll notice that it's BS and CE certified at the top here. You'll also notice that it's the 3 terminal hole screws here, so that this is a 2-way light switch. So you can control your light from 2 separate locations. If you need to control it from 3 separate locations, you'll need to get the intermediate switch, which this one can pop out nice and easy, and you can pop the new one in just like that. And finally, the plates are also interchangeable with each other. So let's say you had a painter come in, doesn't match anymore, no problem. You can get one of our spare plates online, and you can put it on just like that, and you're good to go. Okay, take that off. Put the original back on just like that. All right, and then let's take a look at that instructional leaflet I was talking about earlier. Okay, on the one side, you have a whole bunch of social media platforms. If you head on over to any one of those, give us a like or a follow, we would greatly appreciate it. Flipping it on over, you have multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger. In the bottom right-hand corner here, you'll notice a Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page, which will give you tips and tricks on how to install the light switches and sockets. All right, and finally, let's take a look at the bag that it comes in. Okay, right here is our SKU code. Okay, the ART-SS2 for the 2-way and CPR for copper. On the center here is our barcode, and in the top left-hand corner, you have another QR code, which if you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website, and you can see our full range of products there. And finally, flipping it on over, you'll notice the recycling symbol in the bottom right-hand corner here. So you know that this packaging that it comes in is completely recyclable. All right, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day, so please make sure you're subscribed and that bell notification is turned on so you can stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like and a comment down below as to what you'd like us to do next. All right, thanks for watching and have a trendy day.